All right, welcome to the stream. I'm going to do something a little different, and it's related to these libraries that I'm making. But what I want to do is create a Lua minifier. As you can see, we have let's see here, show you the Audulus Canvas, right? So this is when people would be using the library, what they're going to do is they're going to copy and paste this file here. And you can see it's a lot of lines of code, right? I think we're up to 4,000 now, right, for this one library of code. And it will be a lot easier to work with. When people don't need to, when they're actually using the library, they don't need to go up and look at the code here. The code just needs to be here for it to work down here. We're going to minify this code, and minifying is this process where, like, you can, for example, remove white space here, right? There needs to be a space there, but otherwise that works, right? There needs to be a space there. Oops, floor, right? Going here line by line and removing the space. And of course, we don't want to do this manually. We want to we want to do this programmatically. And what's kind of interesting is I could go actually and it's like I can minify this and do U, and then like instead of has all this, we can just start with H, right? And H, and then for K in pairs T, do if type K number. And see, I think, yeah, like that's the minified version of this. You can't minify this any smaller. And I'm going to make a program in Go that you'll be able to dump this file into, and it will go in and do this for all of the code. And not only do that, it will strip out all of the comments. It could do this, right? And we're going, I'll just show you for more reference, like what this looked like. Okay, and we also want to we can't shorten this function to just F, right? That doesn't work. It's a keyword, so it has to be function there, and there has to be a space between that. But then all of the variables, like here, we do that, and then cut this off at D. And then we do like C right there. We just cut off all of the ones there. Obviously to translate that and there. And this code, whoops, this code works exactly the same. And define global CE. I don't know where that CE is. Okay, there, yeah, it just disappeared. And return like. And then see, now we have a C there, and we have to name this something different, so we do this like CP, or like, you know, and it would be more efficient just to do A, right? And A. And now, okay, right. And we've gone through and condensed a bunch of lines of code into this one line here. And this will function exactly the same way, except it'll be more condensed. Now, just do, hold on. Oh, whoops, I'm still in my Go thing here. Big library. You can see the difference between those two, right? Okay, so I've never built a minifier before, but I know that the first step is going to have to be making a lexer. And I'm really pretty new to Go, so I'll be making a lot of mistakes as we go along, but I just know Go will be kind of fun and easy to work in. I'm going to create a new repository. We're going to call this moonifier. Minifier written in Go. And I'm creating a new repository on my GitHub from the GitHub client here with a README. Is there a ignore file for Go, MIT license? It's not going to be private, so we're creating the repository. We're going to publish the repository. Not going to keep it private, and we're going to publish it. Okay. All right. So we're going to actually here, close out of this, and we'll open this in Visual Studio Code. Put that up there on the side. Come out here, and now there's a way that we're going to be working in Go, and okay, let's see, yeah, there, good. Now I feel like there's a way to like go mod init, something like that. Yeah, go mod init. What do you do? Like, okay, yeah. So then we'll get the URL from here. So github.com void, and then go to repositories, Minifier, right? And then go mod init, and then I actually have to take off the HTTPS. So github.com. Working down here in the console there. Okay, so creating a module here. Okay, go.mod. Okay, so let me go to mod tidy. Okay, and then we'll do a main.go. No, package main. Wait, hold on. I think you have to call this main. Yeah, hold on. Let's just, so then import FMT. I might only just need, for right now, FMT. How do you do this? Import, oh yeah, okay. It's screaming at me as soon as yeah. I love this. Okay. Having the documentation right there, that's good for the string manipulation that we're gonna have to do. Oh, actually, yeah, I think we need to import string. So we're gonna do some, so FMT string, is it strings or string? Hold on. I think it's strings. Do you just call it like this? Hold on. How do you do? I'm gonna be relying heavily on ChatGPT for this. So font main, print line hello world. Okay. Let's just do this for right now. Okay. And then go run main.go. Okay, hello world. We got hello world working. How to do multiple imports? Parentheses. I was doing. Yeah, I was doing curly braces. That's why. And don't need to do. Okay, and is it string or strings for the package? Okay, strings. Whoops. Oh, hold on. Oof, I have to use it like immediately, or if I save it, it will. Well, actually, I think you can do hold on. I'm gonna do like x equals strings dot like what is count? Okay. Yeah, let's do like split. Okay, here. Yeah, okay, then it automatically adds it there. Okay, that's cool. Split slices string to all substrings separated by and returns a set slice of sub. Okay, this is what we're gonna do first. We're actually gonna just like we're gonna try to read out of a file here, and then we're going to try to split on the space. No, we're going to try to split on newline first. So the string, okay, so like split lines equals strings dot split. Let's comment this out first. Okay. How to read from a file. Go. Okay. We're going to create a file here called like. How do we do it? Like test.lua, and then we're going to add a little bit of code here. Like function. I could just pull some functions from that other, from this. Okay. Let's go through here. Let's just pull the utils file. Okay, that'll start with some good things to do, because we're gonna have some to-dos in here that we want to get rid of. Okay, good. So swap back over here. Test. Okay. So right now we're not gonna. What's element ID? That's kind of reads quickly because I have this element class that it's referencing, but there's no element here, so we're not going to worry about that for the moment. Okay, buff IO, so buffer IO. Large files, it reads the file line by line. Okay. The file could be in our os.open, so okay. File error equals os.open. We do test.lua. Okay. Whoops. The error is not nil. Then I'm going to print. We'll print line error opening file. We could do like error like this, right? Errors. Well, I keep forgetting I don't need to what's it called? Like errors.new. Is it new? What is it? I'm trying to remember how to create a new error. Errors.error. Is that what that is? What is this? Okay. Format using errors package. I know you can do the errors package, and you get a little nicer. It's a way to create errors. New. Okay. Oh, that new. Oh, I forgot you have to do capitalized. Yeah. Okay. That new. Yeah. Error. Wait. No. Hold on. I'm doing this wrong. Because this error is already created here. This is like if something happens, then I want to create an error, then I do that. But okay. Okay, let's just follow along with this. What it's saying right now. Okay, so error. Okay, large files like file close scanner. This is okay. This is actually just creating the first step right here. That's funny. Okay, this is the first step of creating a lexer. And this lexer and a scanner are just kind of mean the same thing. Do I have to keep the whole thing in memory? I think I do anyway. Okay. Okay, let's just follow this. So if error is not nil, let's do this. There's not nil. Why is? Oh. There we go. If error is not nil, format that print line error opening file. Okay, version. Defer, close, and this defer thing will close the file when the gracefully when the main function ends. This is kind of like the with open in Python if you're familiar with that. So we'll do scanner equals boofio dot new scanner, and then we do file. Is this just not a? Okay. Just had to save. Okay. For scanner.scan. Okay, this is like opening a for loop that will run until the thing is done. I assume that inside the scan function, it's got kind of a while loop while it's reading all of these lines. So format.print line scanner.text. Okay. And then I'm not copying and pasting this because I'm still learning. I'm trying to get this in my head, like the way that Go feels like to write with fingers. Error. And then error is not nil. Oops. Line, error, error leaving file. Okay. Nice. Okay, so we got it to print out everything to the console, which is good. Okay, so what's next? We have the scanner. It's reading. Okay. The scanner.scan. It's reading the line. It's printing it out on each line. But we want to do something more than printing out. Okay. Let's just try to print. Like, can you do this like? Hold on. I equals 0. So line number. Plus, and then I'll do line num. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Yeah. Whoops. I'm in like Lua mode. Hold on. That's the linter there. Right, line num. Don't use underscores. Okay. Okay, we got line numbers printed out there. Good. Let's Let's make this bigger. It's a little easier to see. Okay, so what's next? I feel like okay, can we just strip out let's try first, we'll strip out to strip out the new lines from every line and then concatenate them so it's just one long line. Let's not worry about whether or not it's going to it's going to smush up and mess up the formatting. It won't produce actual code that we can use, but we will be able to yeah. Okay, so okay. Okay. The line number is getting added, then we want to, okay, like line equals scanner dot text, and then we want to do like how to strip character from line. Strings replace all. Okay, yeah, so dot wait, yes, string yeah script equals strings dot replace all line. Wait, hold on. What's string? Old string, new string. What? Place all returns a copy of the string S with all non-overlapping instances of old replaced by new. Oh, okay. So old string replaced by new string. Okay, and then we'll put this one in here. Line stripped. Line stripped. I'm in such a line stripped. Camel case versus okay, so that didn't work. Okay, this is interesting. I can use regex. Okay. I mean, maybe regex is the way to go. Like I'm probably like avoiding it because it's like easier not to think about regex stuff, but this seems like the kind of the perfect use case for it. What is must compile? Let's see, explain this. Explain this. This is creating, it looks like it's creating something like this little struct here or something that you can call this method on and Yeah. Okay, hold on. So pointer, object used to match against strings. Okay. Cannot be parsed if it's not a valid regular expression. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, let's try using this method, but without okay, just like, okay, XJ. Okay. Oops. Okay. Like, I want to do this is interesting. It's a little cool tool here. One arbitrary character. Okay. Okay, so regex for everything but newline. What? Okay. Yeah, okay, so this is getting confusing. I'm kind of diving into like regex without really understanding it that much. I should probably do some reading off stream about that. But let's just do like, okay. So how to like, yeah, I'm still strip new line each line from scripting line from each string. Okay. We're doing there. Oh, it does? Okay. Oh, great. Okay, in that case, what we're doing here is actually adding back in that new line, of course. So we're going to get rid of the line number. You know, I mean, does this... Okay, if it's already... The buffer is removing, as it's scanning, the newline character, and we want to create like the output equals. It's going to be a string, right? What's the problem here? String type is not an expression. Oh yeah. We want to like make this. Make string. What are the arguments? Let's make. Type size. Make like 0 with size. I think 0. Wait, you just need 0. Okay, output. I mean, let's just do at least like 100, right? We can adjust that later. This is making a slice of type string and like 100 characters in there. We're gonna need more, but then this will give it a head start of like adding more. Okay. Don't need this. Okay, so for the output, how are we doing? It's like append. I think it's just append. Append, yeah. So doing output. And then elements. Like the output is like scanner.text. I think it's bytes. Most recent token generated byte call to scan as newly allocated string holding its bytes. Okay. And then print output. Ah, yes. Oh, yeah. Output. Yeah, I just have to reassign it. It's not. Oh, wait. Output equals. Output equals. Yeah, like that. I could have it. This is for declaring, and this is for reassigning. So we're gonna do this. I think. Cool. There we go. Awesome. Okay. So we got it all. This is all one line. We'll just confirm that here. New file, right? See, line 1, all in one line. Good, don't save. Okay. Now, Okay. Let's do this first. Wait. Declare this as a variable, so scanner.text. Just so I don't have to keep rewriting this line. And let's try stripping out the comments first. And I don't know why there's so much white space in the beginning here. Oh, wait. Oh, of course, I'm appending to the end. That's funny. Okay, so 0. Let's actually try this again. There we go. Yeah, so it was because I was essentially loading the empty string value. There's 100 characters here. I thought I was like generating I was thinking of capacity. Capacity is this one. opacity of the slice is equal to its length. Let's do like 1,000, right? Okay. But the line, on each line, we're going to, okay, remove comments. If, okay, line, actually, I think we don't even have to look at the second one, because if the line starts with the, no, because, yeah, we need to do 2 in a row. Yeah, so if line, how do we do this? I think it's like up to 2, up to 1 equals, okay. Okay, I want to match 2 characters, oh, okay, like check in check in the, let's see, might have to go soon because lunch will be on the table in a bit. I'm going to check if a string starts with set of 2 characters. Okay. Oh. Now, does this return a string? It does. Okay, so the string. Okay. Has prefix. Okay. So if line has, oh wait, if string dot has strings dot has prefix, it's a prefix. The string is line. And the prefix is do you have a continue? Is there a continue? Okay. We're going to skip over that line and just not do anything. Okay. So we have this to do here. We should see it disappear from that first line. So great, did that. Like let's just confirm that. Right. This should still be valid. This should still be valid, Lua. Okay. Wait, actually, let's write this. Let's write this to a test. That'll be a good way to end the day. If we just want to write, we got rid of the comments, and we can output this to. I just need to ask, like, how to output this to a text file called output.minified.real. Create, okay. We'll do that. We'll leave that for debugging purposes, and then we'll do out file. Error equals colors.create minify.lua. Error does not equal nil. Format print line error creating file. Okay. And then return. A writer. Okay, this is interesting. So file, new writer, out file. For this line in range, don't need the index, so range output, which is getting each line. Then error equals write string. I don't want the line with a new line. Obviously, I just want the line. Okay. If error does not equal nil, dot print line error writing to file error return. Okay. But then where's the file? Oh, did I not? Yeah. I forgot to defer. Defer out file dot close. Oops. They have a nice system where like this would be like a private method that you can only use within the file struct, like file basically, and then all the public methods are capitalized. That's why all these are like that. So close. And oh, we wanted this up here more. That didn't work. To split right. Okay. Let's do writing to minify. Let's say reading test.no. I'm writing little debug statements of like where it is in the code here. And then, okay, it's creating the file, right? And then it's going to close it at the end. We defer this to the end of this function. We create a new writer. And then for each range and output, writer.write line. Oh, hold on. Buffered operations. I forgot this flush thing. I didn't see that. Okay. Error equals writer.flush. Error does not equal nil. There we go. Okay. So, okay, remove the new line, but we want to, yeah, we remove the new line, but sometimes when you have a new line up against another one like this, when we're taking the line out, we're not putting it's the prefix line. We're skipping that. We're appending it. It's the line, and then okay. Line append. Hold on. How do you append directly to a string? How to append directly to a string? I mean, obviously you're going to create a new string. Mutable, yeah. Concatenating, concat. You just use the strings builder. Okay, it's more efficient use to strings.builder. Okay. Okay. Let's see, if I'm doing this in SM, if I do this in a loop, does it flush the buffer? Okay, okay. Right string. See, I'm making this slice thinking that's what I need to have all the strings. So maybe I can just stay in string land and do it directly. Okay. Builder. Builder strings builder. And then builder.write string. Let's do builder.write string. How do we add the string plus, oh, not the string, the line. Builder.write string, and then we're going to create the result. Error there, we do it after this. So result builder dot string. And then we wouldn't even have to do for each line. We just writer.write string. Like result. Okay. If error is not nil. Hold on. Go. Will this work? Let's try that. Okay, output was declared and not used. Oh, where did I do that? Output. Oh, I don't. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that put the new line there. Good. Duplicate field, get peak memory. Where did I? Hold on. I mean duplicate field. Oh, it's probably because it's like in the same. It's in this same thing, but otherwise, yeah, because if I go like here and I do test here, yeah, I don't have any errors. Okay. See, it's immediately trying to format it as soon as I save it, which is fine. Okay, cool. So that works. We're going to leave it there for now. So right now we're able to strip out comments and we are combining lines on a space. We won't have to combine every line on a space. I think there are some where we could even strip out one of the spaces. But we at least are able to generate this. So I think that's a good place to leave it for today. Hope you enjoyed that. It's kind of a... This isn't exactly Audulus, but this is helping the Audulus's like the library that you're going to use here in the Canvas node and the DSP node. This will help make the file, the script, more manageable to work with when the library is minified like this. Because already you can see just how much it's condensing. You know, I open test.lua. Look how long this file is. It's 78 lines. You know, it's huge compared to this. So, all right. We will I'll catch you tomorrow.